Hello my YouTube friends. Today the crew will come to finish up our kitchen and install the countertops. We visited a few granite companies and chose a very nice granite. I will provide a link above to the segment about us choosing the countertop for our kitchen. All these tops that are empty now will be covered with the granite. This is the place for our grill, and we will continue. A lot of granite will be used because the span of this tabletop is almost 19 feet. We will also planning to cover with granite this raised bar. And this is the view of the kitchen section attached to the retaining wall. The crew has just arrived. Our team is going to upload the first portion of the granite. Last measuring before they cut and adjust this piece. Another team member have arrived to help with this heavy granite slabs. The first piece of granite for our raised bar is being put into place. The second piece of the raised bar is done. There is a gap between these two pieces, so we probably need to cut that right one a little bit on the side. Another big piece was delivered just right now.
me confíen, no me confíen.
Ahí están las cosas, Mary. Ahí las puse detrás. Para acá. No. Para acá. Ahora sí para allá.
Special tools.
Abre. Está muy apretada la pipa.
Esto no lo vas a borrar.
Voy
¿Qué
a
vas a meter
chipear.
para allá? Ok.
Voy a chipear.
Vamos a sacarla también.
They need to cut and adjust more to fit this piece of granite tight and clean.
No alcanzo ya.
El bolsacho que tenés.
Cuidado, güey. Jala tantito para sobre ti.
Ahora, quita esto.
Jala tantito para sobre ti. Aquí.
Ok. Caramba. Dale, pues tenemos espacio. Vamos, sí, vamos.
Despacio. No. Jala tantito para afuera.
Dale, presiona.
¿Dónde pega? Acá pega.
Beautiful.
This piece is now fit perfectly.
Vamos a sacar la mano.
Dale.
The piece for the sink.
Vamos.
Hay que bajarla para ver.
Uy, lo voy yo.
They brought the last longest piece that will go on the right of the
Sí, ahí la cae por estar.
They now we need to measure the position of the pole and cut a hole in that piece of the granite. Right now there is no space for the pole, so they will be doing that right now.
Otra. ¿Puede que salga para ahora?
Tiene las pulgadas over here, 10. Espera, no lo puse.
Dale. Ahí va. Monta hasta arriba, dame la piecita a un nivel, dame por qué peso para marcar, nosotros la mano.
¿Cómo lo hago yo?
Right now the guy that needs the glue, some type of plastic mixture. They continue gluing and preparing the sinkhole to put the sink. And the faucet hole is done. And if you wonder why we did not do the backsplash, I will explain. We would like to match whatever material we will be using with the tiles on the columns. We have 3 of these columns, so we will try to do some tile and some accent tiles. And these accent tiles will be matching with the tiles here. And the piece behind the grill is also installed. And now the crew is putting the silicone to kind of to secure the granite pieces. So what this thing is doing?
It's like a suction cap. It makes the whole thing level.
We're going to cut the last 2 small pieces. These two small pieces will go behind the columns. And our granite countertop is done. So it took the whole day to install this countertop, but it looks very nice. And after we install all doors, refrigerator, I will give you a full tour of my outside kitchen.